Have you been searching for the perfect minivan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Odyssey Elite in silver. With LED headlamps, forward collision warning, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 91,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear entertainment screens, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7916A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.